Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a team in Asana. All right, as you can see here, I have this project where I have 3 members, including myself. Now you might ask, how did I do it? Well, just go ahead and open your Asana dashboard and log into your account, as you can see here. Now go ahead and go to my workspace right here at the bottom left. Now click on invite teammates. All right, just click on it and enter the email from here. All right, for example, I'm going to type in this email. As you can see here, I've already invited these emails right here. What I'm going to do, for example, I'm going to invite someone like my wife, like that. So I'm just going to click on invite this email, and then the person will receive this particular email. All right, he or she's just going to want to click on accept invite, and he will be landed on your workspace. All right, and as you can see here, here's the workspace, and this is from the Raya account. Now, once a person accepts it, he will be landed in the members tab. I'm going to click on view all right here. As you can see, here's the list of my members. So if I want to delete them or limit the access, just click on limit access right here and delete, hit on remove. Okay. Now, if I wanted to make them work on a specific project, I'm just going to click on project itself. For example, this one. And then I'm going to go ahead over to the top right, which is right here with 3 dots. Click on it and add a member. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and invite with a link right here. For example, this one. I'm just going to click on it and hit on invite. All right. And as you can see here, we are now 2 working on this project. I'm going to close this one and refresh it. And here we have the additional member. Again, if you want to add in some more, just click on the 3 dots and type in the email. For example, this guy right here. Gonna hit on invite, close this one, refresh, and remember the name, okay? Project to archive. All right, as you can see here, I'm just gonna refresh my Asana on the second account. And here we have the added projects, the YT project. This one was added before, and this project right here is a new one. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.